The three musketeers spent the day plotting and planning, looking for internet. For Bella, it was most to make sure she can still Google herself. And Philip's planning kept him busy online, draining the internet that is available at the hotel.
So for us, I think the internet is one of the major ways within which you can connect with a continent to inform them about the event, but also to enable them to participate remotely. So internet basically is everything.
While Ruth focused on perfecting the e-newsletter. What on earth?
Every day we are going to be trying to engage the people that have not been able to make it here and those that have been interested in the DigiTrends process for quite a while now. And the idea is to send them an e-newsletter that highlights the key issues that are coming up on Twitter, Facebook, on YouTube, the blogs, and every conversation that we are having online, to be able to remotely engage them and have a conversation going.
What have you done today, people?